Hello everyone, welcome back to the Learn with Aniket. Today we are draw this part in the SolidWorks 2023. Before that, please subscribe our YouTube channel and set the bell icon to all. Let's start the video. Click on New, then select Part and click on the OK. First go to the Feature and then select Extruded Boss Base. First we draw the horizontal part so we can select the top plane. Then select center rectangle and draw the rectangle from the center. Select the dimensions. Give the dimension for this horizontal line is 96 mm. For this vertical line is 64 mm. Then one is a slot here. Select the straight slot. Draw slot from this line. Give dimension for slot. The dimension of this line to this line is 16 mm. The diameter of slot is a 16 mm, radius is a 8 mm. Distance from this line to the center of slot is 20 mm. Then exit from the sketch. The thickness of the this part is a 16 mm. So enter here 16 and select this part. Click on OK. This horizontal part is completed. Then select this plane. Select extruded boss base. Zoom out and select corner rectangle. Draw the rectangle from this point. Give dimension for this rectangle. The dimension of vertical dimension is a 64 mm and the horizontal dimension is 64 mm. Then you can see in diagram there is a arc on that side of the this slot. So select the arc, control and select this line and this line and give the radius is 48 mm. Enter and click OK. Again click OK. This is the created completely. Then exit from the sketch. Drag and change the direction inside. Give the thickness is 60 mm and then click on OK. This is also completed. So next is draw part here. Again select extruded boss base. Select this plane. Then select corner rectangle. Draw a rectangle from this point. Give dimension of that rectangle. This dimension is a 40 mm and this dimension from this line is 22 mm. Then exit from the sketch, drag, give the thickness is 28 mm, enter, then click on OK. This part is also completed. Then select this plane, again select extruded cut, draw a circle at the middle of this line. The diameter of circle is 24 mm. Give the dimension. Exit from the sketch. Select here through all. Click on OK. This is completed. The one cross is here. So draw next is drag it and select this plane. Select extruded boss base. Select line and draw from this point to this point and exit from the sketch. Click here yes, drag it, change the direction and give the thickness is 12 mm. Enter and click on OK. Then drag it, open in isometric view. The part is completed. Give the color of this part. Select here part, give the color, click on OK. The part is completed. Thank you for watching this video.